We are dealing with file management in C programming. In this clip we are going to see defining and opening a file, different file opening modes and closing of a file. So suppose if we want to store data in a file in the secondary memory, we must specify certain things about the file to the operating system. They include file name, data structure and purpose. File name is a string of characters that make up a valid file name for operating system. It may contain two parts, primary name and optional period with the extension. For example, we can see file name can be input.data. In input.data, primary name is input and .data is optional period. So the file name can be only store without any period. File name can be proc.c, that is proc.c. It is a .c file. Student.c, in which file name is student and period is .c. .c is extension of the file. Or last example is text.out. .out is extension of the file text.out. Data structure of a file is defined as file in the library of standard input-output function definition. So file, therefore all files should be declared as type file, capital F-I-L-E, before they are used. So file is a defined data type. So till now we have seen different data types like int, char, float, double, right? So in the same way, file is a data type, but file is a defined data type. The definition of related function in the data type file is defined in standard input-output.h library. Now see, when we open a file, we must specify what we want to do with the file. That is third thing that we have to convey to the operating system, the purpose. So when we open a file, we must specify that what we want to do with this file. For example, we may write data to the file or read the already existing data. These two options can be possible. The third possible option is that we want to write into the file which is already existing. This particular function is known as appending of data into already existing of the file. So these three options can be possible, or these three purposes are there whenever we deal with file handling in C. So you can see following is the general format for declaring and opening a file. So you can see in this particular region that file is a data type. So we have created, the first statement declares the variable fp as pointer to the data type file. As started or stated earlier, file is a data structure that is defined in input-output dot standard input-output.h library. The second statement, we can see the second statement opens the file named file name, and the mode of opening the file name file is we can specify. So this pointer, which contains all the information about the file, is subsequently used as a communication link between the operating system and the program in which we are going to use this file handling. The second statement also specify